In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to documents in Stack. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply making notes for yourself, mastering the annotation tools in Stack can streamline your workflow. Let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to log into Stack. Open your web browser and navigate to the Stack login page. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Otherwise, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Selecting the correct account here is essential if you manage multiple projects or teams, ensuring that your comments and annotations are added to the right documents. Once you've logged in, locate your projects. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of your active projects. Go ahead and click on the project you want to work on. This will take you to the project's overview page where you can access all the documents and plans associated with it. Now click on the Plans and Takeoffs section. This area is where you'll find all the detailed schematics and documents for the project. It's important to be familiar with this section as it's central to making and viewing annotations. With the documents open, look for the View option and click on it. This will present the document in a format where you can start making your comments and annotations. You'll find a range of tools available to you for this purpose. Begin by clicking on the Annotation tool. This is your gateway to marking up the document with various forms of comments. Within the annotation tools, you'll notice several options, each designed for a specific type of comment or highlight. Let's go through these options briefly. The Highlight tool allows you to emphasize important areas by drawing a colorful box around them. You can customize the color to ensure your highlights stand out. Next, there's the Cloud tool, which creates a cloud outline around particular sections. This is perfect for drawing attention to changes or areas needing review. Like the Highlight tool, the color of the cloud can be customized. The Callout tool is great for adding text bubbles with notes. It's useful for inserting specific instructions or questions. You can adjust the bubble color and font size to make it as prominent as needed. Moving on, the Dimension Line tool lets you draw a visual reference of a linear distance. This is handy for adding measurements directly onto the plans. Again, both line color and font size can be adjusted for clarity. You can also add a text box anywhere on the document. Simple notes can be placed for others to see, and like the other tools, the font size and color are customizable. Finally, the Legend tool allows you to place a color-coded legend on the sheet. This legend lists the takeoffs and measurement totals specific to that document, helping keep track of various components. Visibility can be toggled, so decide if you want this information prominently displayed or discreetly hidden. And that's it. You now know how to effectively add comments and annotations to documents in Stack. With these tools, you can provide detailed feedback, highlight key areas, and ensure that your communication within the project remains seamless and clear. Thank you for watching, and happy